Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently building a miniature version of what my bedroom could look like if I were to redecorate it. If you are part of my Patreon community, you may have seen the room tour of my real life bedroom. I didn't want to post footage of my actual bedroom on YouTube because it's a bit too personal and it really doesn't look great, but if you're interested in exclusive content and want to support me and my channel, you can follow the link in the description box and join my Patreon community. To make this miniature bedroom for dolls, I'm mainly using cardboard, contact paper and painted paperboard. I'm building this room box because I recently moved into a bigger bedroom in my flat share, and because I sold some of my furniture, I had the idea to build storage spaces using my moving boxes. I've never built real life furniture from cardboard before, and I'm not sure if that's a good idea. So if you've ever done that, feel free to let me know in the comment section how that worked out for you. As you can see, I'm using clear plastic from packaging and painted paperboard strips to make the window. I am also using other recycled materials like cups and lids, fabric and wooden sticks, and miniature items from previous videos, which I will link in the info box.